Aesthetic Group's Hosemaster, the fully automatic fire hose washing and maintenance unit, is now also available as an easy-to-move unit. Hosemaster Mobile unit can be transported from one fire station to another, or even directly to wildfire service centers. The machine can be put into use quickly. Washing and maintenance work can be performed right after wildfire sites, thus avoiding transportation and handling of dirty hoses at fire stations. The easy-to-move Hosemaster Mobile unit can also serve as a shared resource of different rescue services. Hosemaster Mobile unit can wash up to 20 hoses per hour. The machine also pressure tests, detects leaks and marks holes, dries and coils up hoses. Use of Hosemaster Mobile unit is both environmentally friendly and economic due to its small consumption of water and power. The small amount of washing water can be also collected and treated somewhere else. Hosemaster, the world's first fully automatic firehouse maintenance unit. Better than the best, Hosemaster. Work safely equals Hosemaster. The best efficiency for fire hose maintenance by all measures. Hosemaster.